Ça passe. Hi, I'm Mayor Oliver Gilbert, and we've gone virtual. Now, while we're staying at home, I wanted to make sure that the activities that you enjoy could be brought to you online. Join me for Haitian Creole lessons with Mr. Innocent. Let's learn together.
Good evening. Bonsoir. Comment nous y aujourd'hui? Moins bien. Dans la leçon aujourd'hui, in today's lesson, you will learn some part of the body. You will become familiar with vocabulary and sentences associated with ailments, symptoms, and injuries. You will become familiar with vocabulary and sentences associated with medical specialists. You will become familiar with vocabulary and sentences associated with first aid. You will also become familiar with vocabulary and sentences associated with medical exam. Let's begin. First, you're going to learn some body parts because we're going to learn that when we are making some sentences. Tête for head, cheveux for hair, front for head, figure face, yeux eye, ear oreilles for ear, nez for nose, bouche for mouth, dent for tooth, gencive for gums. On the next slide, you're going to learn mâchoire for jaw, langue for tongue, menton for chin, cou for neck, cou, épaule for shoulder, poitrine for chest, poitrine, ventre for abdomen, sein, tété for breast, sein, tété, dos for back, dos, bras for arm. On the next one, you're going to learn coude for elbow, coude, thigh for waist, hanche for hip, derrière for buttocks, jambe for leg, cuisse for thigh, genou for knee, molette for calf, jambe for shin, main for hand. On the next one, poignette for wrist, gros pouce for thumb, doigt for fingers, plat main for palm, zong doigt for fingernails, jointy doigt for knuckles, and peau for skin, nez for nose, pied for foot, pied for ankle, and talon for heel, zong pied for toenail, gorge for throat, poumon for lungs, l'estomac for stomach, bonzo zo for bones, mis for muscles, and ke for heart, vein for veins, and rein for kidney. Now, we are going to learn some vocabulary words that are associated with ailments, symptoms, and injuries. Maladie, symptôme, ak blessure. Maladie, ailments, symptoms, blessure, injury. Headache, mal tête, earache, mal oreilles, toothache, mal dents, stomachache, douleur l'estomac, backache, douleur dos, mal-gorge, sore throat, mal-gorge, fever, temperature, la fièvre, température, cold, when you have a cold, grip, cough, tousser, infection, rash, grattel, stiff neck, cou raide, running nose, enrhumé, bloody nose, nez saignant, bleed, cavity, trou mean like a hole, trou dent, chills, frisson, diarrhea, diarrhée, chest pain, douleur poitrine, shortness of breath, souffle is breathing, souffle, faint, indisposé, dizzy, vertige, nauseous, décomposé, sneeze, éternuer, congested, congestionné, wheeze, essoufflé, vomit, vomi, laryngitis, laryngite, itchy, gratter, scratch, gratter, same word, scrape, cocher, mwen cocher kom mwen, I scrape my skin, bruise, meurtri, burn, bouler, hurt, fait mal, sprain, fouler, dislocate, break, casser, enflé, swollen, enflé, twist, tordé, and cut, couper, heart attack, crise care, allergic reaction, réaction allergie, overdose on drug, overdose, fall, tomber, electric shock électrique, de flu, gripper, influenza, flu. It sounds just like in English, flu. Ear infection, infection dans oreilles, infection dans oreilles. Strep throat, gorge infectée, Measles, sarampion, mumps, mal-mouton, chickenpox, la rougeole, asthme, cancer, depression, dépression, diabetes, diabète, heart disease, maladie cœur, high blood pressure, hypertension, tension. Now let's practice. What is the matter? Qui problème qui gagne? I have a moins gagne yon mal tête, moins gagne mal oreille, earache, moins gagne mal dent, toothache, moins gagne douleur dos, backache. Comment senti-vous? How do you feel? Pas trop bien, not so good. Pas trop bien, pas très bien, not very well. Pas très bien. Terrible. Moi regrette tant de ça. I'm sorry to hear that. Moi regrette tant de ça. Qui ça va faire ou grippé? What do you do when you have a cold? Qui ça va faire ou grippé? Moi prends remède pour grippe. I take cold medicine. Moi prends remède pour grippe. Qui ça ou pral faire ou gen mal tête? What do you do when you have a headache? Moi prends yon Tylenol moi gen mal tête. I take a Tylenol when I have a headache. Moi prends yon Tylenol moi gen mal tête. Qui ça ou fait ou gen oquette? What do you do when you have a hiccups? What do you do when you have a hiccup? Moi bois de l'eau, moi gen oquette. I drink water when I have a hiccup. Moi bois de l'eau, moi gen oquette. Dis-moi, dernière fois ou pas te senti ou bien. Tell me the last time you did not feel well. Moi pas senti moins bien depuis semaine dernière. Moi pas senti moins bien depuis semaine dernière. I have not felt well since last week. Dis-moi de yon temps où te fait ou mal. Tell me of a time when you hurt yourself. Dis-moi de yon temps où te fait ou mal. Moi te tombé dans toilette la semaine dernière. I fell last week in the bathroom. Moi te tombé dans toilette la semaine dernière. Ou semblez ou fatigué en pile. Est-ce que vous dormez bien récemment? Ou semblez ou fatigué en pile. Est-ce que vous te dormi récemment? You look exhausted. Have you slept well lately? Oui, moins stressé et puis moins pas dormi bien. Oui, moins stressé et puis moins pas dormi bien. Yes, I feel stressed and I do not sleep well. On the next slide, you are going to learn about the name of the medical specialist, the spécialiste médical, cardiologist, cardiologue, gynecologist, gynécologue, pediatrician, pediatre. Oftentimes you will hear people say doctor, a kids doctor, Dr. Timoun. Gerontologist, Dr. Gramoun, doctors for old people. That's what, for adults. That's what they say. It's a translation. There's not a word for it. Allergist. Orthopedist. Orthopédiste. Ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologue. Ophthalmologue. Oftentimes, they will tell you the eye doctor, just like we say in English. Docteur G. Docteur G. En ENT, spécialiste oreille, spécialiste nez, spécialiste gorge. Spécialiste. On the other side of the chart, audiologist, audiologue, or you will hear ear doctor. Okay, docteurs oreilles. Docteurs oreilles. Un physical therapist, physiothérapeute, or thérapeute physique, thérapeute physique. Counselor, conseiller, conseiller. Psychiatrist, psychiatre, psychiatre. Gastroentérologiste, gastroentérologiste, gastroentérologiste. Chiropracteur, chiropracteur, chiropracteur. Acupuncturiste, technicien acupuncture, technicien acupuncture. Orthodontist, orthodontist. It sounds almost the same. Now, let's practice. I'm not feeling well. Mwen pas senti mwen bien. Mwen malade. Mwen pral wè yon docteur. I'm not feeling well. I'm sick. I'm going to see a doctor. Mwen pas senti mwen bien. Mwen malade. Mwen pral wè yon docteur. Ki sa ou senti? What do you feel? Ki sa ou senti? Mwen gen problem à digestion. Mwen gen problem à digestion. I have problems with digestion. Ou ap bezwen wè yon gastroentérologiste. Ou ap bezwen wè yon gastroentérologiste. You will need to see a gastroenterologist. Est-ce que ou te fè yon rendez-vous? Est-ce que ou te fè yon rendez-vous? Did you make an appointment? Li à 10h 5 juillet. Li à 10h 5 juillet. It's at 10 o'clock on July 7. Mwen gen yon allergie, mwen pral wè yon allergist. I have an allergy, I'm going to see an allergist. Mwen gen yon allergie, mwen pral wè yon allergist. Mwen pense que ou besoin wè yon spécialiste. Mwen pense ou besoin wè yon spécialiste. I think you need to see a specialist. Mwen pral référé ou ba yon cardiologue. I'm going to refer you to see a cardiologist. Mwen pral référé ou pour ba yon gynécologue. Mwen pral référé ou ba yon pédiatre. Mwen pral référé ou ba yon orthopédiste. Mwen pral référé ou ba yon docteur yeux. Ki le prochain rendez-vous ak cardiologue la? When is your next appointment with the cardiologist? Ki le prochain rendez-vous ak thérapie physique, à thérapeute physique? On the next slide, ki sa docteur a dit? What did the doctor say? Ki sa docteur a dit? Docteur a pensé, the doctor thinks, mwen ta dwe rete nan kaban a bwe liquide. I should stay in bed and drink fluids. Mwen ta dwe rete nan kaban a bwe liquide. Docteur a pensé, mwen ta dwe fè exercice epi fè yon régime. I should exercise and go on a diet. Or you could see, mwen ta dwe fè exercice epi fè yon diète. Mwen ka bezwen thérapie physique. I may need physical therapy. De ki sa docteur a te rappele ou? What did the doctor remind you of? Pa bliye pran vitamine ou chaque jour. Don't forget to take your vitamin every day. Pa bliye pran vitamine ou chaque jour. Pa bliye fè examen physique ou. Pa bliye fè examen physique ou. Do not forget to do your physical exam. Now we're going to talk about first aid, premier secours. Premier secours. First aid manual, livre premier secours. Livre premier secours. First aid kit, boîte premier secours. Boîte premier secours. Band-aid, pansement. Pansement. Antiseptic cleansing wipe. Serviette antiseptique pour nettoyer. It's kind of defined. There's no word for it. Serviette antiseptique pour nettoyer. Dressing pad, tampon, gaz stérilisé. Tampon or gaz stérilisé. Hydrogen peroxide, de l'eau oxygénée. Antibiotic ointment, pommade antibiotique. Pommade antibiotique. Adhesive tape, adhesive. Aspirin, aspirin, same way in Creole, like in English. Non-aspirin pain reliever, analgésique, CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, réanimation cardiopulmonaire, réanimation cardiopulmonaire. Has no pulse, pas gen pou. Pou mean pulse, but it also means lice. Now, rescue breathing, respiration bouche dans bouche. Respiration bouche dans bouche. Isn't breathing, li pap respirer, pap respirer. Heimlich maneuver, manœuvre Heimlich, manœuvre Heimlich. Is choking, aptouffer. Splint, a splint. Broke a finger, cassé yon doigt. Tourniquet. Li ap saigné, is bleeding. Li ap saigné. Now, do you have any, est-ce que ou gen aucun boîte premier secours? Est-ce que vous n'avez aucun pansement? Do you have any band-aid? Est-ce que vous n'avez aucun adhésif? Oui, gardez dans boîte premier secours. Yes, look in the first aid kit. Au secours, help, my friend. Au secours. Zami mwen, pa gen pou. Help, my friend has no pulse. Au secours, zami mwen pa respirer. My friend isn't breathing. Okay? I can help. Mwen ka ede. Mwen konen ki jan pou fè et CPR. Mwen konen ki jan pou fè réanimation. I can help. I know how to do CPR. Mwen konen ki jan pou fè réanimation. Mwen konen ki jan pou fè manœuvre Heimlich. Now, I can make a splint. Mwen ka fè yon a splint. Est-ce que vous avez une boîte premier secours? Si vous avez une, qui sa ki la dan? Do you have a first aid kit? If you have one, what do you have in it? Oui, moi gen yon. Yes, I have one. It has pins, tweezers, li genyen adhésif, li genyen bandage élastique, li genyen tampon, pommade antibiotique. Non, mwen pa gen yon. No, I don't have one. Ki kote mwen ka achete yon? Where can I buy one? Ki kote mwen ka achete yon? Ou ka achete yon nan n'importe magasin médical. Ou ka achete yon nan n'importe magasin médical. You can buy one at any one of the medical stores. Okay? Measure hauteur ak poids. Measure your height and weight. Take your temperature. Prends température. Prends température. Check your blood pressure. Check tension. Check tension. Draw some blood. Prends sang. But also there's an expression in Creole that says prends sang, meaning that calm down. Calm down. Prends sang. Calm down. Okay, so prends sang, take your blood, calm down, prends sang. Health, santé. Examine les yeux, examine your eyes. Oreilles, examine les yeux, examine les oreilles, examine les gorges. Tendez battement cœur, listen to your heart. Tendez battement cœur. Take a chest x-ray, prends radiographie poitrine. Prends radiographie poitrine. Poids mean weight, it also mean beans, the beans that you eat. Now, blood pressure gauge, tension, needle, syringe, aiguille. That's a difficult sound. Aiguille. Examination room, chambre consultation. Examination table, table consultation. Eye chart, that's the one you read when you go to the eye doctor. Cat pulley. Stethoscope. X-ray machine. Machine radiography. Now, the last one, practice. I'm going to ask you some questions about your health. Mwen pral mando quelques questions de santé. Mwen pral mesurer hauteur ak poids. I'm going to measure your height and weight. Mwen pral mesurer hauteur ak poids. Ki sa infirmière a fait pendant consultation? What did the nurse do during the examination? Or what did the doctor do during the examination? Ki sa docteur a fait pendant consultation? Li te mesuré hauteur. She measured my height. Li te pran poids moins, attention moins. Meaning that he took my blood pressure, measured my weight and blood pressure. Docteur a te demandé moins questions sous santé moins et puis li tande battement cœur moins. Docteur a te demandé moins questions sous santé moins et puis li tande battement cœur moins. The doctor asked me questions about my health and listen to my heartbeat. Docteur a te demandé moins questions sous santé moins et puis li tande battement cœur moins. That's the end of the lesson for today.
I hope you enjoyed today's session. Join us every Tuesday and Thursday on Facebook Live for Haitian Creole with Mr. Innocent. If you want to view the session again, visit cmgengage.com/virtual. I'll see you next week.